the triple bond in a nitrogen molecule N2. Triple means 3 covalent bonds, so 3 pairs of shared electrons, and each pair is made up of 2 electrons. Nitrogen molecule is made up of 2 N atoms, 2 nitrogen atoms, and in the outer shell, each nitrogen atom has 5 valence electrons. 3 of them are single and not paired, so each nitrogen atom needs 3 electrons to form pairs, so that each nitrogen atom would have 8 electrons in its outermost shell. To get this diagram, review previous tutorials on Lewis dot structure. So, find the atomic number from the periodic table, which is equal to the number of electrons, and then represent the valence electrons in the Lewis dot structure. As we said, sharing of electrons occur, and the atoms will attract. 3 pairs of electrons will be shared, so that each atom contributes by 3 single electrons. 3 shared pairs of electrons means 3 covalent bonds, since each pair makes up 1 single covalent bond. This represents a triple covalent bond with 3 shared pairs of electrons between the nitrogen atoms. And if you count the electrons of the outermost shell in each nitrogen atom, you will find that these are 8 electrons, and the triple bond is represented as 3 dashes, 3 parallel dashes between the nitrogen atoms. Remember that 1 covalent bond is 1 shared pair of electrons.